All right, we're starting off with 1 bag of our frozen cheese tortellini on our sheet pan. Spread that out nice and even. Next, I'm coming in with 1 bag of our raw shrimp with the tail off, peeled and putting that right with our tortellini. Now, I usually like to get smaller shrimps, but they didn't have any smaller ones that had the tail off, so this will have to do. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious sheet pan dinner. Now for some greens, we have some chopped up fresh spinach, and I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle that right onto our sheet pan. I absolutely love making this dinner. It's all in one pan, so easy, so delicious. You can whip it up in just a few minutes, throw it in the oven, and have a perfectly cooked dinner. Okay, that was about, 1 cup of chopped spinach, and that's gonna shrink up a little bit in our oven when it cooks up. Next, I'm coming in with my little smokies. Now, you can use a kielbasa sausage if you want. You can use a smoked sausage, but I found these little smokies on sale, and I just had to grab them because I felt like they would go perfect with this dinner. So we got the tortellini, we got the shrimp, we got the spinach, and now we have our little sausages. Little smokies. I'm using that whole bag because why not? Now I'm gonna season this up. Of course, we're gonna start off with some garlic powder. Do a nice light sprinkle. Make sure it gets on everything. Perfect. We're gonna do some black pepper. Now you can season this however you like. I'm just seasoning it how I like it. Beautiful. Of course, we gotta add a little bit of sea salt. Just a nice sprinkle of all of our seasonings. I am so excited to chow down on this. Now, the main ingredient, we have our Olive Garden light Italian dressing. You can use whatever Italian dressing you like. I just love the Olive Garden one. And we're gonna drizzle this on our entire sheet pan. And this is what's really gonna give everything some good flavor. Just nice drizzle. We don't even need to use the whole bottle. You can save the rest for your salad tomorrow. Oh yeah. Now the last thing we're gonna add to this, and probably the most important thing, mozzarella cheese. You know I can't have dinner without any cheese. So we're gonna do a sprinkle of mozzarella cheese. Now you can use whatever cheese you like, a white cheddar, a sharp cheddar, a Colby Jack, a Monterey Jack, but I feel like the mozzarella goes really well with the Italian dressing, but also Parmesan would work really beautiful with these flavors. You can also make this on the stove top, but I love to just throw it in the oven and get everything nice and cooked evenly. So I think I'm probably gonna use this whole bag because who doesn't love cheese, right?
Extra cheese, please.
Okay. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Perfect. All right, you guys, and that is it. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for 30 minutes. Oh my, this looks absolutely incredible. That cheese melted, that shrimp cooked, the tortellini is cooked. Spinach cooked. I cannot wait to give this a try. Get a little bit of everything. Oh, the cheese.
The juice from the dressing looks so delicious too.
Woo! All right, I think I'm gonna try a shrimp and a tortellini together. Doesn't it look so good?
Looks
that
delicious.
Shrimp is perfect.
Is it good? Oh, look at the happy dance.